Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what you can do on your Bosch Tassimo Joy if it's not recognising the lid's closed. So right now this is working. Look at this flash when I close it. Can you see it flash there? Open it up again, close it, you will see it will flash. If yours is not doing that, then it's not going to work because it thinks the lid is open. The machine knows if the lid's open or closed because we have a little micro switch just here. And can you see here, look at the little red light coming on here to read the barcode. So if you find that when you're doing this, that's not flashing, because if I put a pod in and if I put it down in this position here and hold it down, and if I use a Q-tip, can you see it's flashing? Every time I press it, it will flash once. That shows that it's actually working. If yours is not working, give it a nice good clean around here, just in case it's completely fouled up with coffee. Also, if it's still not working, then get some kind of contact cleaner, something that you can spray in here. If you've got isopropyl alcohol, you can try dripping in something there, and then what you can do is you can turn the machine off, and then you can repeatedly do this and try to get that switch nice and clean. Hopefully then, when you've cleaned that switch out, this will recognise that the lid is being closed. Thanks for watching.